Given the situation last year, Datassentials study said that 65% of the US diners will not accept physical menus as a new rule. So we introduced a DIY menu creator for your guests to view the menu on their own device. Let me tell you what's great about our digital menu. It's not a PDF menu which you'll need to download and view. The digital menu can be viewed online and it adjusts to the size of your smart device. It's absolutely elegant and classy. You can customize your branding and theme colors the way you want it. You actually save tons on printing costs, unlike for disposable menus. Any menu updates can be made and applied immediately, and you do not need to reprint the QR code. And the best part is, you do not need to download an app. The digital menu opens up on your browser in a couple of seconds. You can get started in less than 5 minutes. Just visit www.applava.io/onthehouse. Click on the button that says Generate Free Menu in 5 minutes. Then register with your information. Set your branding and theme colors and add your first product. Preview your digital menu. Add more products and then download the QR code and create your marketing material. You can also style your menu with vibrant images. Here are different ways you can use the QR code. Print window stickers for anyone who passes by your restaurant to scan and view your menu. Print as table tents and place them on each table. Print food packaging stickers. Print stickers for your delivery vehicles. Publish the QR code on your social media or send it out by email to your customers, or you can even add it as a widget to your site. You can also have it on your drive-thru for customers to view the full menu before placing the order at the drive-thru counter. So, don't miss out on this opportunity and start creating your free digital menu with us by visiting www.applava.io/onthehouse.